Guys, first beautiful weather of the summer, and of course I've got a cold, which sucks, sore throat and runny nose and the whole bit. But I want to show you something. This is what I built yesterday, and I guess they haven't learned to use their laying box yet. I guess they slept in it, but they don't lay eggs in it. Yeah, well, I built this little pen for them. A lot of recycled materials. This here, I'll show you, is an old sign my father had years ago. That's where the end pieces came from. That's where the hinge came from. Chicken wire is new. The plywood is new. Those frames I had built a long time ago and stained them already. They were going to be for a chicken pen, but I never got around to making it. So yesterday I finally used them. It's another piece of sign. This lid to the laying box here, it's probably been used 4 or 5 times now as the lid to a laying box, because it was originally on those, which I got from my friend when I got those chickens, and then it was on that pen, on the laying box on that pen. Now it's on this one. Anyway, I'm going to get that water and those eggs. Get in there and give them a bit of food. Hey, hey, I'll get you food, don't worry. Hey there, how you doing, bud? That's a big cock. He stands up straight. He's 27 inches tall. I think my hens are happy. These ones have an automatic water that I run off the garden hose. Anyway, I keep my feed in this old garbage can with the lid, so it keeps it dry and keeps the non-chicken wildlife in the area from eating it. There you go, guys. There we go. Some good stuff, eh? They're actually quite beautiful chickens. They're very healthy. They're not very shy. They have lots of feathers. They're doing well. And I think it's because I let them pick around in the grass all the time. Giving them fresh grass every day. I'll move this pen tonight when I get home. Anyway, lock my door for them. Those are my chickens.